Fixed slow internet speeds on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some quick tips to get the fastest internet on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Disable low data mode. Open Settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Tap the eye icon next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Scroll down and find Low Data Mode. Toggle it off by swiping the switch to the left. Tip 2. Disable background app refresh. Open Settings and tap on General. Find background app refresh and tap on it. You can either turn it off entirely or disable it for individual apps by toggling off the ones you don't need running in the background. Tip 3. Disable low power mode on your iPhone. Open Settings and tap on Battery once the battery option opened. Make sure that the toggle of low power mode is turned off. By following these tips, you'll optimize your iPhone for faster internet. Try them out and let me know in the comments if you notice a difference. That's all for the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.